How to use ntpdate behind a proxy? Is it possible to use ntpdate behind an HTTP proxy with authentication? In case it is not possible, are there any good alternatives?
This seems like a clear case for Thursday. I do not think I have ever seen so many recommendations to use unsanitized data from internet as an argument to a pseudo-invocation. GitHub. This URL.
Expanding on the answer by Carve1.
One-liner. Assuming environment variable HTTP_proxy is already set, we can verify the retrieved date/time first. Notes. Just in case, certain options might be needed for curl. Curl $proxy. To explicitly set the proxy server to use, when the HTTP_proxy environment variable is not set, default to protocol HTTP in port 1080 manual. Curl H cache control column no cache. To explicitly disable caching, especially when used in a cron job and or behind a proxy server. Alternate form tested with rule 6 that uses the U option to date instead of appending the Z to the output. BTW, Google.com, is preferred over www.google.com because the former results in a 301 redirect response, which is much smaller, 569 versus 20k plus characters, but still good to use.
NTP service is using UDP protocol to sync the time, so HTTP/TCP proxy may not work for it. Alternative to accepted answer, there is a good update tool to sync time behind proxy. A cron job example.
If you want to support these consequences home.